A day after the central government said the Kohi No Diamond was neither stolen nor forcibly taken by British rulers, it has now said it will make all possible efforts to bring back the Kohi No Diamond in an amicable manner. Republican frontrunner Donald Trump and Democratic frontrunner Hillary Clinton have easily won the New York primary. This win has moved them closer to winning the nominations for the White House. The centre has informed the Supreme Court that more than 25% of India's population is facing drought and consequently facing drinking water shortage and agricultural distress. Apple has quietly updated its 12-inch MacBook with the 6th generation Intel Core M processors. It also promises a longer battery life and new rose gold finish. Ybar is the latest messaging app to join the end-to-end encryption club. The technology ensures that only the sender and the recipient sees the message, which might contain text, pictures, video or voice.